however bad your day is, you just open the gate and come in. All your whatever you go through, you just forget, and it's a different world. PFA had rescued some dogs from Grand Circus, around 8 dogs and 6 horses. So we need a place to keep these dogs away from the shelter because the circus company had filed a case against PETA for taking away the animals. So we needed to keep them somewhere safe from the shelter, prevent them from getting infections. And around that time, I asked Kumar whether he could allow us to keep the dogs for some time, till they found homes and till the case was settled and all that. A lot of breed abandoned senior dogs came here. This was just a place for them to spend their last years and live and die in dignity. They were abandoned by their owners after having, lived with them for 8 to 9 years. Some of them were blind. Some of them, couldn't walk. It was just a place for them to come and live and die in dignity. So they take a while to reach out to, warm up to people. Some of them are scared, some they go hide. A lot of people, I have parents have come with the autistic children. Some young kids who are going through depression and issues have come to spend their time here. A lot of people have come to volunteer. And these dogs have really changed, their whole experience, and they've gone back happy. And this has been going on for the last 10 years.
After these dogs have come into your life, as a person, how do you think it has impacted you?
See, there is this concept called One Health. Basically, the understanding that we, human beings, animals, plants, microbes, the environment, everything is one. So it is actually really stupid for human beings to be cruel to animals. We should be actually taking good care of them. And if we are such selfish people that we only care about ourselves, just for that reason you should be taking care of animals.
They would have come with broken arms, abused by their human owner, and still they can wag a tail. And that's amazing, no?
When Sobhita started this pet story, basically to fund her shelter, there was a nice poster which she put up. If there is a place where dogs go after they die, that's where I want to go when I die.